Today, we're taking a deep look at a stunning rhodolite garnet under the microscope. Rhodolite is a special variety of garnet. It's a natural mix of pyrope and almandine. This mix gives it that beautiful purplish red color you're seeing right now. As we slowly increase the power, something magical starts to happen. At around 50 times magnification, we begin to see many crystal inclusions inside the stone. It honestly looks like a masterpiece of art. Nature created its own painting inside this gem. One crystal in particular completely steals the show. Look at this, it has the most perfect ghostly, translucent shape I've ever seen inside a gemstone. It literally looks like a little phantom floating inside the garnet. This is not just an inclusion, this is pure gemstone art. The way it's formed, its delicate edges, the way it catches the light, it's mesmerizing. I'm honestly speechless every time I look at it. This, my friends, is officially the ghost of the rhodolite. Nature really said, "Let me create something magical," when it made this one. Now, I slowly move the microscope over to the right side of the stone. There's an area I didn't notice at all in the beginning. As we increase the magnification up to 120 times, we discover several new crystal inclusions that were hiding from us. These crystals are really beautiful. They're very well formed with sharp, clean, angular shapes. You can see their natural crystal faces perfectly. They look almost like tiny geometric treasures trapped inside their rhodolite. Look at this one in particular. Now we're going to increase the magnification even more because I've noticed this crystal has a very clear triangular shape. It actually reminds me of some precious minerals we study in gemology. The way the edges are formed is really fascinating. Plus, this inclusion has a beautiful golden color that makes it look even more precious, almost like a tiny piece of yellow diamond trapped inside the garnet. Now, towards the end of the video, I go back to the main group of inclusions because they're honestly too beautiful to show only once. Right next to that famous ghost inclusion, there's another very well-formed crystal that I want you to see clearly. Look how big and well-defined it is. This one also has a ghost-like shape, but not as perfect as the first one. I'm going to call this one the semi-ghost. It's still very cool, but the first ghost remains the champion. Now watch this carefully. If I gently play with the focus of the microscope, I can make the two crystals appear and disappear like magic. One moment the ghost inclusion is perfectly sharp and floating in front of your eyes. This is one of the most entertaining things you can do with a gemology microscope and a gemstone. Pure magic.